So I want to say something before we get this video started because we're going to do this at my house. But I remember before I was carnivore, this cart was like overflowing because of all the veggies. Not that veggies are bad for me. It's kind of ironic. Look what aisle I'm in. Anyway, not that veggies are bad for me. It's just right now my food noise is so perfect. So anyway, I just think that's kind of ironic. You know, people, yes, the meat is more expensive, but all the things you don't buy is easier too. Yeah, I know. You see a tomato or onion and pepper. Shut up. Come on, y'all. Let's go grocery shopping and see what I get. I've lost 180 pounds, and I'm trying to maintain it. I gained 20 back, but now we're trying to get rid of that too. All right, come on. Look how empty she looks. The only thing missing, which I'm not having to pick it up this weekend, is the big old, those chuck rolls from Sam's. And so, people are so funny. You know, a lot of times men will say that women like to jibber jabber and have the gift of gab. I went into Walmart and there's this group of 3 fellas standing out here just talking and talking. And then I walked back out and they're still there congregated and talking and talking. And now they're dispersing to their own cars alone. So it's not like they had women, you know, that were inside and they were just standing outside chit-chatting. Men like to chit-chat too. I think that's so funny. I like hearing men talk about men folks' business. It's funny. Okay, bye. I really like to hear them talking about men folks' business when I get to look at them and they're easy on the eyes. Okay, I'm home. So let's get these groceries unbagged. Let's see what I got. I always go in and buy toilet paper. You know I got to buy toilet paper. That's like the thing. We all need toilet paper. I'm going to go ahead and run it to the room. Hang on. Next up, my Zevia. I get the variety pack. It has fruit punch, cran raspberry, strawberry lemon burst, and grape. And this is how I put them away. Watch out, puppy dogs. So how's your day going? This is my Saturday. I've got... Hang on, I always try. Oh, that one busted open. Dang. Oh, hold on. There we go. I always knew one of those was going to bust, but I never knew when. Well, it was today. Anyway, so that's how I pop them open. But don't do what I do, okay? Don't do what I do. Now I got my glasses all yucky. And then I just put them in here. Usually I put them in the back of the row. But I don't really care today because now I'm mad. I'm mad at myself. But it's okay, Terri. You're going to be drinking grape soda early. And that's going to be all right. And, yeah. So, okay. Let's see what's next to put up that we can make a mess out of. If you want to guess what we're drinking now. This is my list of chores right here. I forgot to put Walmart on it. Anyway, okay, we got a card for Judy for Mama's Day. It says, hey, Mom, guess what? Mom, know what? And then that's Mom, you know, chasing after her like a little kid. Mom, know what? It says open. Love you, that's what. Happy Mother's Day. So just a fun, silly little card. I like to give silly ones. Once in a while I give a serious one, but you know, I'm silly and so is she, so I don't want to give her a serious one. All right, so that's Mama's Day card. Yep. All right, and what we have? Oh, coffee, because, yeah, I'm actually sipping on some right now. As clumsy as I am, I hope I don't spill it out on my card for Mom. I'm going to move this across the room. You just hold up. I'm paranoid now. Now, we got these. This is the gallon freezer bags. For my ground beef, I've been using the quart size. There's nothing wrong with the quart size, but I can't flatten out my ground beef as much as I want it to spread out. So next time I do them with ground beef, I want to use the gallon. So I went ahead and bought the next size up. Of course, you know we got dog food. I buy mine the Iams mini chunks. So this is the one I get for my puppy dog. Callie has rough teeth. When she was on her own having her puppies, she was living on her own, so they really ate away at her teeth. So anyway, now every night before we go to bed, the dogs have a little of this heavy cream, this kind, and they have a little bit, and I have a little bit. I plug this into my tracker app though, so I usually get 4, but I picked up 5 today. So let me put these away. So pretty much carnivore, except for a few supplements that I add, like collagen and creatine and some things like that. But I also track calories on most days. So they were out of whole milk, which is what I was getting. But I looked at this one, and I thought, all right. So the one, what is this? What percent is this? Just, I guess this is comparative to 2%. Oh yeah, 2% milk. It's 120 calories. So that's 30 calories less than a serving. 4.5 fat. This is 8 fat. I don't care about the fat, but I care about the calories. And they both have 6 carbs, 6 total carbs, and 0 added sugar. And they have the same amount of protein. So for less calories, I opted for this one this time. I mean, I'm going to finish this one out. But then I think I'll switch over to this one because less calories. I mean, when you're trying to be in a calorie deficit, 30 calories makes a difference. Same with cottage cheese. I've been buying the full fat or 4%, whatever it is. And then today I bought the fat-free. So we're going to look at calories. Fat is calories, like it or not. Good, bad, indifferent. But fat has calories in it. So the one with 4% is 110 calories. This is 80 calories, the fat-free one. This one has 5 grams of fat. Of course, it says 0. This has 5 total carbs and 0 added sugar. This has 5 total carbs and 0 added sugar. Protein is 12 in this one. Protein is 14 in this one. I mean, we all kind of know, if you eat 80-20 versus eating 93% like ground beef, there's going to be more protein in the one that has less fat because that fat takes up space. And again, I'm not anti-fat. Y'all see what I eat. All my meat has fat in it. But what I am looking at is ways to lower my calories. And so 110 calories to 80 calories. Again, another 30 calories, that's 60 calories we've cut out. Now, before we get through the rest of it, let's talk about what I bought and what might raise some eyebrows, and I'm okay with it. Today I'm doing a special video, so I'm doing a special meal that I'm cooking, and so I want to zhuzh it up. I don't eat vegetables every day, but I'm not anti-vegetables. For me, vegetables is not what got me to 340 pounds, okay? What got me to 340 pounds was the processed food and all that head noise, the food noise. And right now, the way I'm eating with just having vegetables once a week, maybe twice a week, it's working for my food noise, except for whenever I throw little extra things in there, like Monday I had cake, and so that's kind of had me messed up. But anyway, so I did pick up 1 yellow onion, because again, I need this for a meal today, and 1 pepper. These do not make me fat. I am not coming to a carnivore-ish way of eating because of health issues. I'm coming for weight loss, laziness, because I ain't got to cook no veggies, and my food noise. So anyway, so those, we'll see, shouldn't trigger food noise. The dogs, no, I'm going to save all the dog stuff for last so you can kind of see it together. Why I have spent so much money. Yeah. Less dogs is probably. But anyway, I love the smell of lilac. So I picked up 2 of these. These were actually splurges. I don't know how I came out with the right amount of money, but I picked these 2 were splurges. The pepper was a splurge. That's dogs. This is normal. I had this on my list. Just some plain old cheap Tylenol, acetaminophen. And then for my dishes, I needed another thing of this. I get the Great Value dishwasher packs. So I'm going to put these away. Hang on. And now I'll throw the old box away. I like getting this size because then it gives me something to put all my stuff in the refrigerator. Okay, now we're going to get to the dogs portion. And yeah, I know I'd be saving a lot of money. My dogs take medication. So when they do, Sammy takes it every day. Callie takes it quite often. Baxter just sometimes. But what I've learned is that if you put a pill in the bottom of their bowl and squirt a little Easy Cheese, the pill's gone. No ifs, ands, or buts. I do a pill, squirt Easy Cheese, and put the food on top of it. And yeah, I actually learned that from daycare. They actually don't do it in the food though. They put it on a little plate and then the dog licks it off. And so some people try their dog gags and all that stuff. I'm very blessed that these big oafs don't really care about that kind of thing. Okay, let's get the dogs and this will finish us out. I'll just dump it out. They have the sharpest corners on these packages. And so I usually try to double bag whenever I put them in. Because otherwise they break apart and fall through by the time I get home. These are, Old Roy is the brand I get because it's the least expensive. This is Barkin' Bacon. I love it. This one is jerky sticks, so it's like little beef sticks. Then I usually get Old Roy, but they didn't have that, so I bet Callie loves peanut butter. So everything has to be peanut butter, guys. It just has to be peanut butter. So we got two bags of those. I cut them in half and put them in the container up there. And then these are they're peanut butter, knotted peanut butter buns. So I already have some of these open. So how about we give the dogs a bacon strip? It's not real bacon, so I don't eat it. But these guys love it. We're going to give them each one to finish out this video, guys. Oh, I need to tell you my total. Hold on. My total was 196, and we have 8.5% tax and 5.4% tax. So my total for the day was $212. So we have two different taxes here in my town. And then I guess state tax and city tax. Maybe everybody has that. I don't know. Anyway, the total was $212, and then I had to get some extra money out. But take that, ma'am. You take that, sir. You gentle good boy. So yeah. So that was our shopping for today. Thanks for unbagging with me. Makes it more fun with you guys, and I can kind of chit chat. It's a little slower. Y'all slow me down. Let's see, what was my most expensive things? The dog food was $30. Here, okay, I'll tell you about my dog stuff. $30 for dog food. One dog treat, $11.14. $5.83, $5.83, $10.43, $11.14, $10.43. Yep. So, yeah. Probably way more than I would have to spend. But anyway, so they're already back for more. All right, I love you guys. Thanks for coming along with me today. I love spending time with y'all. Y'all keep me entertained. Bye.